Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can fix verification required error on App Store. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the reasons these verifications are required on your phone is because there might be not enough funds on your payment card, or there might be the fault within the card, or the card might be expired. So in order to reactivate your card, what you're going to do is delete your previous card and again add in your payment card. So in order to do that, go to your settings. And after going to your settings, now tap on your profile. And in here, tap on payment and shipping. And your Face ID will be required and your payment and shipping will be opened. Here you can see this is your payment and shipping, and in here there you can see this is the payment method that you added. In order to remove it, simply just tap on it. And then here you can see there is the option of remove payment method. Simply just tap on it in order to remove it. So after you have successfully removed it, you can tap on this option, add payment method right here. And then in here, you can add in your card's detail and then add it like that. And hopefully that would fix your problem. If it does, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.